G'day viewers, Sep here. Thought what we'd do today is put the hubcaps back onto the HQ. Just had some new tyres fitted. So that's what we'll do today. Just clip on like that. Pretty straightforward. A bit of a close up here. These ones are the original wheels on the car, original colour. The rims are actually off at Premier, and these are the original hubcaps. So let's get them on. Right, first one. Just going to make sure we've positioned that correctly so the valve sticks through without being hindered. Okay, that's good. Let's do the next one. Probably will do a video on the car at some stage. I know there's probably a few of you that'll see this and want to know a little bit more about it. These are only light aluminium, so they're pretty easy to dent, as you can see. I normally take them off myself to try and reduce the amount of damage, because sometimes at the tyre places they can be a little bit rough. Pretty good. That's it. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.